guys, this is my 9th bell tower, so we're going to start doing it in 1 second. So I hope I have good luck on this one, and I don't jump off and don't do my wingsuit and do my parachute. So that would always be bad. What's that? Whoa. Oh, that's, okay. Starting right now. It's perfectly fine. Oh. Sorry guys, my eye itches. I just don't walk up the stairs. I know that my 8th bell tower was pretty good, but it was hard. Ooh, oh. Ooh. That was just impossible right there. Hold on, what's okay? Oh my gosh. Am I crying? Looks like they have something there. Oh, okay. Now it's better. Got my eye fixed. I don't know if I'll be able to do this. Oh! Guys, I might not be able to do this. But I'll try. I hope I don't get to the last mission in a couple of seconds. Dang, that thing is so annoying. Well, here we go again. Gotta heal up again. Ah. I got heat. Wow. Wow. I found a way. Alexi, do you think I can do it? I can't do it from there. Like this way? That's my own way. I know, but it's so easy. I'm going against that wedge. I don't know. I don't know if I can make it. Dixie, you might have to do it. I don't think you can do it either.
Probably not.
Going on this wedge. Would you rather go that way, jump from there to there, or go around? I think go around because you have a second chance.
Yeah. Try the other way.
Then if I try that way, I don't have a second chance.
Or you go back.
No, I'm just supposed to lie. Wow! See it fall down there. And then I fall on the side if I do this one. So which one do you prefer? Okay, this is going to be my last attempt, and then I'm counting the other way. I know this is going to be a pretty long video, but I've seen videos over 2 hours long. Wow, whenever I stop moving, it just... Okay. That was my last chance. Now I can't barely get up the stairs. Okay. That was probably the easiest part, getting up the stairs. still have a chance if I get on that side. So I'm gonna start with this. I know I can do it. But if I
Take it slow.
no, I can't.
You
Oh! How do I get up there? And why did I get on here? Am I? Wow! Why did I go over there? Okay. That was pretty useless to go up there. But if I would have done that when I didn't do this video, when it wasn't recording, that would be a lot more. Yeah. Yeah. I know I can get up there. Yeah. Yeah. Nah. I don't know if I'll be able to make it up there. I might have to make a second video. Woo. Woo. No, no! But yay! This might be a big yeah. No, no. Yeah. 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 Get up there. Through the window. Okay. Funny moments. Funny moments. Through the window, through the wall. Through the window, through the hole. Wow. Can I just get up here? I need to get up. No! Why? When I get done with this. Through the window, through the wall. No! Why is it so annoying? Let me get up here and switch my saddle on. Because I think it makes you jump higher. And how did I just lose no health there? I might have to look up a video of this, guys. No! Worst parkour ever in the world is me. It probably is. Care about parkour. Woo. Ah, yes. Got it. Yes. Guess what? I'll go this way. I'll try that way next time. Ooh, but I want to go that way. No, not that way either. Oof. Yeah. That was easy. Easy, lemon squishy. Easy, lemon squishy. Nothing that way. Just a giant cliff. Is this getting boring to y'all? Put it in the comments if anybody watches it. I know, I just started this YouTube channel. Still working on my videos. Get out through the wall. Okay. I made it.
Did you find me?
I made it.
Wow.
Got it, guys. I'm down at 17. I'm working on getting the buzzsaw. It's gonna be a hard time getting it. So, this can be pretty cool. So guys, this is where it ends. Bye.